Hello, I want to prevent you from doing this mistake. When you are recording a video of yourself, I'm not talking about a picture because a picture you will notice it very quickly, but a video talking, in front of the camera. Look at this. If you want to appear like you are looking a bit off, then you have to look at yourself in, in the picture of the screen of the smartphone or the camera. If you look at yourself, then when we watch the video, it looks as if you are not quite looking at us in the eye, just a bit like on the, just behind us or a little bit off. It's not good because you are looking facing the camera, you are looking at the camera, but at your own image. But the effect that you want is that you are looking into the eye of the person watching your video. Otherwise, you will be looking at another thing, an object or behind you or whatever. If you are looking at the camera, it means you want people to feel like you are looking at them. So don't watch yourself in the screen. Instead, you have to spot where is the lens, the camera lens on your phone. Unfortunately, at the moment, they don't put it under the screen. They put it on the side. So you will be looking at this point, and only at this point. Every time you are looking at the person that you want, the effect, then you will watch this point, this dot, little dot. Identify it and look at it. There is one trick for people who are quite shy to be looking at a point where, when just a side, there is their own image. So, an image of a human, they want to look at it. There is a trick. What you can do is to cut out, first print out the face of someone or yourself, if you really like yourself, or a cartoon character, whatever. You print it out on a piece of paper, then you cut it out, the face, and you draw a hole inside one of the eye or in the middle of the eyes, on the nose. You cut out something like this and you glue it on your phone so that the lens, camera lens, is behind the paper, behind the hole. It's a lot of preparation. I understand it's not convenient, but if you can start your video like this, put your piece of paper, then you will be talking at a face. It will be much more natural to be talking. Yeah, you put a friend face on this printout, and then when you talk, sometimes you look at them in the eye, or in around the eye, so on the left eye or the right eye, and the lens will be in the middle or in one of the eye, whatever. But it will be much closer than if you are looking at yourself, because you will be way off this camera lens. So you can try it like this, because the effect is really bad. It's easily noticeable, and you have some people who are vlogging for many months or years, and they are still looking at their own image. I mean, looking at your image just to make sure that the framing is still good, that it's still recording, things like this, okay, but not look at it thinking that you are looking at the person in the eye. It doesn't work. So from now on, try to do like this. Look at the lens, and since it's not natural, put a piece of paper, even a small one. You don't need to print out a whole face, just a little one. So at least you have to look at this face on the paper and in their eye. So you look at the eye. One of the eye will be black. But look at this eye when you are talking to the person. But other time you can look away as a natural conversation. And when you want to go back to looking at the person watching the video, you look at this piece of paper in the eye. Okay, and the effect will be so natural, so good. Or you can train yourself like professional vloggers who are doing it well. So how do they do it? Of course, often they have a big camera with a big lens, so it's easy to look at this lens and to know that it's here. You have to look inside, and they can even see themselves in reverse in this lens because it's so big. But if you have just a smartphone, the lens is very small. So help yourself and help the quality of your video. Until then, bye bye.
Look, hey, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Look, if you're trying to build the name of your brand, they came with a plan, get your name in demand. With Builderall, you can save your day in advance. Keep the apps automated so you barely need to glance. Listen, think of all the power that you hold. It's a new globe, everyone is grabbing for their phones. Imagine the control, build your passion on your own. And the more that you connect, the more attraction they will show. Not only a sales funnel, look, this is more advanced. This will help you compete, but have the upper hand. Keep your products in demand. It's all in one spot. You don't have to calculate and feel afraid with your thoughts. Automate your response. Drag and drop your site or click map your fans. See the pages they like or use the video wrap or capture their sites. Design your own app from scratch, just how you like. Yeah, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Design with y'all in mind, let entrepreneurs shine. Tired of the 9 to 5, you starting your own grind and it's alright. They got the tools you need. The connection they designed is truly unique. Never been able to express my views with ease. I move, release, double click and ooh, I'm pleased. My clients as well, tired of the hoops and leaps. Too many things in the way of my truth and dreams. A Builderall rock star is what you really are. Tune in on the internet will make you a star. You don't need to study hard, all it takes is a start. Work every day and move higher till you way off chart. Stay on, never sleep on none of the apps. It's a free sign up just so you know in advance. Builderall's for the legends, nothing's holding you back. You got the tools and the plan, you can stay on track. Believe that. They designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall.